Hey, did you know how many phrasal verbs we use around the house?
Oh, there are tons. Like what?
Well, there's clean up. Like, I have to clean up my room before my mom gets home.
Yeah, and tidy up. I always have to tidy up the living room after my siblings make a mess.
And take out. I have to take out the trash every evening.
True. And don't forget put away. I need to put away the dishes after dinner.
Oh, I hate putting off chores. But I often end up putting them off until the last minute.
Yeah, procrastination is a common problem. I'm guilty of that too.
And what about fix up? I'm always fixing up my old furniture.
Right? And set up. I need to set up the table for dinner.
Oh, and take apart. I had to take apart my computer to clean it.
That sounds like a task. And bring in. I always bring in the groceries from the car.
Definitely. And hang up. I have to hang up my clothes after doing laundry.
Yeah, laundry day is always full of chores. And sort out. I need to sort out the recycling.
Oh, and throw away. I have to throw away the expired food from the fridge.
Yeah, it's important to keep the fridge clean. And wipe down. I wipe down the kitchen counters every night.
That's good hygiene. Oh, and clear out. I need to clear out the garage this weekend.
Wow, that's a big job. And clean out. I need to clean out the gutters before it rains.
Yeah, maintenance tasks can pile up. And take down. I have to take down the holiday decorations soon.
Oh, I almost forgot about those. And bring over. Can you bring over some snacks for movie night?
Of course. And pick up. I will pick up some popcorn on my way.
Awesome. It's amazing how many phrasal verbs we use just around the house, is not it?
Absolutely. It's like our own little language of chores and tasks.
Totally. It's like we have a whole set of verbs, just for home-related activities.
Exactly. And they are so ingrained in our everyday language that we don't even realize it sometimes.
Yeah, it's like second nature to say things like clean up or take out.
Definitely. And it's interesting how these phrasal verbs can vary depending on the context, too.
Right? Like clean up can mean tidying a room or even resolving a mess in a situation.
Yeah, or take out can mean removing something from a space, like trash, or even taking someone on a date.
True. It's fascinating how language evolves to adapt to different situations and meanings.
Absolutely. And it's cool how we can use these phrasal verbs to communicate efficiently about our daily routines and tasks.
Definitely. It makes conversations about chores and household responsibilities much smoother.
For sure. And it adds a bit of flair to our language, don't you think?
Definitely. Who knew talking about chores could be so interesting?
True. But hey, it's the little things that make life fun, right?
Absolutely. And now, armed with our knowledge of phrasal verbs, we can conquer any household task that comes our way.
You bet. Let's tackle those chores like linguistic champions.
Heck yeah! Language power, activate.
Let's do this.
Alright, first up, let's clean up the living room. I will grab the vacuum, you start picking up the clutter.
Got it. And after that, we can tidy up the kitchen. I will wash the dishes while you wipe down the counters.
Perfect plan. Then, we will take out the trash and recycling bins. I will handle the trash, you manage the recycling.
Sounds like a plan. And don't forget, we also need to put away the groceries we brought earlier.
Right. I will handle that while you hang up the coats in the hallway.
And after that, we can set up the game night area in the living room. I will get the board games, you arrange the snacks.
Awesome. Once everything is set up, we can bring over the rest of our friends for a fun night in.
Yeah, it'll be a blast. We will pick up some drinks on the way and then we are all set.
Absolutely. With our teamwork and mastery of phrasal verbs, we will have this house sparkling and ready for a great night in no time.
Couldn't agree more. Let's get started and make this the most productive and fun-filled evening ever.
You got it. Let's go, linguistic champions unite.
Before we dive into the tasks, let's make a quick checklist to ensure we don't miss anything.
Great idea. Okay, so we need to clean up the living room, tidy up the kitchen, take out the trash and recycling, put away the groceries, hang up the coats, set up the game night area, bring over the drinks, and pick up the snacks. Did I miss anything?
Nope, that sounds like everything. Let's get started and check off each task as we go.
Sounds like a plan. Okay. I will grab the vacuum and start cleaning up the living room while you gather the clutter.
Got it. While you are vacuuming, I will start washing the dishes in the kitchen.
Perfect. After I am done with the living room, I will take out the trash, and you can handle the recycling.
Sounds good. And once we're done with that, we will tackle putting away the groceries and hanging up the coats.
Exactly. Then, it's game night setup time. I will grab the board games while you arrange the snacks.
Awesome. And finally, we will bring over the drinks and pick up any last-minute items we need.
It's going to be a fantastic night. With our teamwork and organization skills, we'll have everything ready in no time.
Absolutely. Let's get to work and make this the best game night ever.
Agreed. Let's do this.